What the hell are you watching? Waka.
What do you think you're doing? I want you idiots to leave immediately! Put me down! What are you doing? Let me go! Just put me down!
Yes, dog. Oh, that's horrible! It sounds like Piccolo!
What is your problem, you big idiot? I'm sorry, but you're the idiot. You said that you wanted me to teach you how to make women happy, but that's not it, is it? You're not concerned with the happiness of just any woman. You've got your sights set on one woman in particular. You only care about one, and that's Tina Kamishiro. I'm afraid there's nothing I can do to help you with that. Listen, Gio, I know that I told you it's the job of a host to make women happy. But when you care for someone, you must find the courage to express what is in your heart. You have to tell her how you feel about her.
Should have had it in this cup holder.
So are they all the same or different?
Yeah, this one's like for the real big one.
Oh, so they're like 3 different sizes.
Yeah.
Oh, big one.
They're closing this Menards.
They are?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
What?
Because they're moving further. Throw this in the back. It's kind of damp. There you go.
When is there a grand piano in here?
They're building a bigger one.
A bigger one than this one?
Yep.
Get out of here.
Yeah, because if you notice, every Menards that you've ever been to is all on a single level.
Yeah, this one's a double level.
Right, because this one used to be an actual store. They just bought it out.
Oh, okay. And it's moved into it.
Right, so
That's
right, exactly. So now, I guess like all the Mega Menards are just one single level.
it. Right.
So they're probably trying to get rid of that issue.
See how it's an issue, you know what I mean? Accommodating and still at the same time. So.
Yeah, that's true.
It's got an elevator and.
Yeah, but like I said, it's just this thing till too, work. I know there's an exit over here somewhere. I think it's right here. Oh crap.
What happened?
Solid. It's a solid lane.
What about over there? No?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Bye. He's so cute.
Chacha lives over here somewhere.
Cha-cha?
Yeah. Maywood.
So, Chino's dad does it. Good, he looks thin. Just that Chino's living with him.
Still living with him?
I guess he came back the first year.
Yeah.
I guess after he got let out from jail, I think he was saying.
Yeah,
I don't really understand what he was saying, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. He's been out of jail for a while though.
Oh, okay, well, something about that. And then he's sick, and then he hasn't seen a doctor in 44 years. Stuff like that, and he doesn't have health insurance. Yeah, I was like, oh.
Well, it's out there. You just gotta fight for it. Just like Mickey too. Oh, I suffer from this. I suffer from that. I said, you suffer because you want it. Oh, I can't afford this. I can't. That's good. It's free.
Yeah.
The only problem is, you're just gonna have to go where they tell you.
Yeah. It's not so bad, though.
That's what I tell them. I said, well, it's on you, man.
like, we're going to have to take Christopher. It's like in the cuckoo house. You know? But the doctor there, he's really good. So, it's just, sometimes you do hear people yelling and screaming and...
Like anything else, you know?
It's like, look, it's for a short time. The doctor's, you know, Filipino, he's a nice doctor. As long as you get your meds, you know, for your asthma and stuff, you're good. Your EpiPen.
Oh, she may.
Like, there's no Wi-Fi connection here. I thought it was her little tablet or something.
Hi.
Yeah, it was funny because the day we went to go get the second one, Gus was like, oh, you're going to get one for... The first one I told you I got for Destiny. And then the second one, I said, well, you know, let me get... I said, I'm going to get the second one for Cedric. I so I can get my old Kindle back.
Right.
And then next thing you know, Gus was like, oh, Chris, you know, you could get one too. You know, all you have to do is just give in your email. Da-da-da-da-da. And I was like, oh, God, here it comes. And then Chris was like...
Mira.
Yeah.
Mira, and him too. Woo! Shame, my new pal.
What happened?
That's crazy.
Look,
What is that?
DVR.
Are we recording?
Yep.
Get out of here. That's cool.
Yep. Hang on. Recording this September 5th at about 9:40 in the morning. A car and a semi-trailer just went through a railroad crossing. These are things not to do while you're driving. If you see a gate go down, you stop no matter what.
Exactly.
People stay alive. I'm going to disconnect that and download it later.